Good morning, guys. After a very long time, I'm creating a new PPT and I'm going to narrate it in a different way. I'm Santosh here. Let us have a deep dive into our topic. How to excel in an interview. Okay, interview is the last stage of your job section. Okay, of course, you have applied for a job. You will be having some kind of test. Interview level one, two, three, and last one will be the interview. Okay, how to excel it? Let us see in this video. Okay. Introduction. There are many sorts of barrier which will make us to fail in our interview. But we need to understand a thing. These barriers could be broken easily by some easy practices. Yes. Note the word practices. Yes, of course. Practice makes the man perfect. You all knew that. Then what are they? Know about your strength. Knowing your strength will give you a great knowledge of being confident. Okay. First, know what are your strengths and order it. After ordering it, have a clear mind about packing it into groups. These could be packed depending upon the questions asked to you at the time of interview. Is yes. Don't blindly follow the videos alone because after watching these videos, after watching these PPTs, whatever the points given here, just make a note of it and then apply it for your own life. Each one will have some sort of different strength. For example, some strength are good motivator, good team player, leadership skills, good listener, friendly, effective communicator, and adaptive, etc. Okay. Some questions asked in the interviews related to the strength. Okay. What are the questions that? What is your greatest strength? Take me through some of your strength. How will you add values to your organization? Why do you think you are the best person for this role? These questions may be looking simple, but we have to explain it in a clear manner. I have given some key ways to answer this question. First, don't be silent when such questions are asked because this will show that you are not confident and this will show your negative side. Have strengths in your mind and group it according to the question and then answer. As I said in the last PPT, last slide, sorry, you have to group it according to your own way. Don't tell any kind of non-realistic answers. Don't tell any kind of life stories. For us, of course, many of us used to say this. My biggest strength is I'm going to handle this family. I have already handled this family, so and so, etc. Don't tell any kind of life stories. Tell about your experience, education, and skills in that field. And I have also added a quote to this. Best way is to pack the strengths and say it in an order. So first pack it and order it. Okay, skills. Skills are, yes, of course, the word. For example, if you don't possess it, cut the letter S and say kills. Yes, of course. If skills is not consisted or not possessed by you, it will kill you. Communication skill, organization skill, leadership skill, interpersonal skill, and being a team player. Most Mostly an interviewer will assess your skills in three ways. Yes, of course. Past experience, hypothetical questions, and competency questions. They will categorize it questions in such a way in these three order, and then they will ask it to you. Most common topics from which the questions are asked: communication skill. Tell me about yourself. Explain how will you solve the queries of an rude customer, etc. For example, when you apply for a job of customer service, they will ask about this question. Explain how will you solve the queries of a rude customer. You should humbly, politely convey the answer, but it must be in a straight way. Leadership skills. What is your greatest lesson learned from the leadership? Explain me a situation where you led your team. Yes, you can just tell the realistic and truthful story in your own way. Team player. How do you adapt to your team? Tell me a place where you worked as a team and sorted out an issue, etc. These questions are asked most commonly in the topic of team player. Decision maker. Have you ever taken a wrong decision and how did you manage the consequences? What is the decision making? Okay. Influencing and negotiation time. Describe a situation where you have positively influenced someone. How do you explain your point of view to others who don't accept your view? Organization skill. How do you manage your working time? How do you prioritize your work? How do you manage the deadlines? Innovative thinking. Have you ever brought out a new solution for an old problem? Have you ever tried anything new in your working path, etc.? Such questions will make you to think and then answer, but if you have prepared properly before the interview, you could answer it suddenly. Okay. Apart from this, you can also use a star method for answering the questions. S stands for situation, T for task, A for action, and R for result. Okay. Apart from that, also be ready to answer some of the questions like what is your weakness? What do you know about the company? Where will you be after 5 years? Note, these questions may look simple, but you need to do a deep research in order to answer the questions. For the first question, what is your weakness? Don't tell any kind of stupid weakness. Instead, you say that, for example, before I was not a team player, now I have practiced to be a team player and I have overcome my weakness. Say the weakness in a positive way and convey it and end it in a positive way. Okay. Ways to attend the interview. At the end of an interview, the interviewer will surely ask the question, do you have any questions? At this point, never say that answer is no. Instead, ask questions which will leave a good impression about you. For example, what kind of training will I undergo if I am selected? Which kind of environment will I work, etc. Don't ask any kind of questions related to money. Okay. Before this question, you can also additional points for the question. For example, if you have any kind of additional points for the question asked before this question, you can answer them by saying, I don't have any questions, but I have some more points for the question you have asked before. Moreover, uh, have it in mind, interview is a two-way process. You can also know about the interviewer, and the interviewer will surely have the interview to know about you. Note, humbleness along with knowledge will always work out. Mannerism. Yes, there is a special kind of mannerism to be followed in each and every situation. For example, in a sulky situation, you must be calm, subtle, and silent. Like that, in an interview, speak louder but do not shout. Be clear while be clear while speaking. This will show your confidence. Have a steady speed flow while speaking. Don't be hasty. Have a polite and bass tone while speaking and answering. If you feel nervous, take 1 second pass and then start again, but don't repeat it again and again. That's it also. Listen to the interviewer and then answer. Use proper verbal filters like I suppose to, I mean that. Totally, you are saying that according to you. Don't put the ball on the interview side. Take it on your own side and then move it swiftly. You should also use proper body language. Sit in a straight manner and a good posture. Have a good eye contact. Have your legs placed on the ground. Don't shake your legs. Have good and steady handshake. Yes, don't be nervous. Being confident. It is most important thing that you need to have while attending the interview. Sometimes you will lose your focus at the time asking questions like what's wrong, what is a wrong, I know it, what I need to do. Okay, what is wrong? I need to know that. Okay. Asking question to yourself will make yourself wise. Yes. What is the biggest failure I have seen? What is the biggest success I have seen? Which part I need to develop? Where I am lagging? Ask such question to you and then prepare the answer by you and then merge it with your life. Automatically you will be proper. Apart from this, be punctual in your life. This will also add more values to your life. Okay, this is the end of this PPT. In such a way, you can excel the interview and you can do miracles in your interview. Have a happy day.